Okay, part C. Use the matrices to answer the following questions. I will be doing number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. You are in charge of 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's it. Oops, sorry. So, we are going to do some quick notes. Just looking through my notes real fast to make sure I didn't miss anything. But here all we're doing is small multiplication and some adding and subtracting. So we're gonna do some quick notes real fast. Don't forget that you're doing 5 and 6 of the previous videos. Don't forget that, please. Zoom in real fast. Some quick notes. You can only add or subtract matrices of the same dimension. So, looking at all these matrices, I'm not gonna ask you to tell me the dimensions right now because we should be able to look at this one real fast and say, okay, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Some of us might need to remember, okay, 2 rows by 4 columns. So this is a 2 by 4, 2 by 4, and a 3 by 3. So if we can only add or subtract of the same dimension, question. Can I add anyone with F? Think about it real quick. So if I need to be in the same dimensions to add or subtract, can I add anyone with matrix F? There's a 3 by 3. Think about it real quick. I'm really hoping that we're saying no. Think of a reason. The reason is this is a 3 by 3 matrix and there's no other 3 by 3 matrices. So if we see a problem that has F where you have to add and subtract, it's not possible, you can't do it. So, scanning through my numbers real quick. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3, here's an F, I can't do anything with that. It's not possible. Only for adding and subtracting. 4 is good, 5 is good. Check out 6 and 7. 6 is good. 7, there's an F, but right here, this operation is multiplication, so this one is okay. 8 is good, okay. So we're okay. Still gonna do 1, 2, and 4 with you. You're gonna see that it's very, very straightforward. You're gonna be like, okay, not too bad. But again, if you need help, please reach out to me. Okay, to calculate 2A, I'm gonna grab matrix A real fast. 1, -3, 4, 7. And we should know that this operation happening right here is multiplication. So if I multiply 2 times A, I need to multiply 2 times every other element inside this matrix. So I'm gonna have 2 times 1, 2 times 4, 2 times -3, and 2 times 7. You have to keep the brackets because it's a matrix. You have to keep that. And then, if you know how to multiply without a calculator, great. If not, take out a calculator. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 2 times 7 is 14. And there's my answer. You don't need a circle or anything. You just know that this one's good to go. Give you a moment to think about it. Moving on to number 2 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Calculate C minus D. Remember, they have to be the same dimension, so let's check it out. C is a 2 by 4. D is a 2 by 4 dimension, so we're okay to add or subtract. I'm not gonna write C minus D all out. I'm just gonna write the matrix real quick. C is 5, 2, 8, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 3, negative 3, minus our D matrix, 6, 4, 9, 8, 3, 1, 1, 2. Now I did want to make it look real nice, but there's not a lot of space here. So if you need a scratch sheet of paper to show what you're subtracting, I definitely recommend that. But I'm just going to give us our answer anyways. So C minus D equals the matrix of 5 minus 6 is negative 1. 5 minus 9 is another negative 1. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Be careful, there's a bunch of negatives. 2 minus 4 is a negative 2. Negative 1 minus 8 is a negative 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. And this is my answer. Of course, if you want to do the extra step where you're writing it all out, I definitely recommend it. But because I don't have a lot of space, I just went straight at it. Same thing for number 5. You're in charge of doing this one. I would definitely recommend an extra sheet of paper. Looking at number 4. Two-step process, if you remember PEMDAS, it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Right here we have multiplication, additions. We got to take care of the multiplication first. So 4 times E, I'm going to do that real quick. Bring out E first, which is the matrix of 2, 0, 0, negative 3. And 4 times E would be 4 times 2 is 8. Make a big brace. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Again, you could do the extra step where you're showing your work. I just went on and just started multiplying real fast. Plus my A matrix. Okay, here we go. Bringing down this matrix. 8, 0, 0, negative 12. Plus my A matrix, 2 by 2. I had to make sure. 1. Make sure you can see the video. Okay, we're okay. 1, 4, negative 3, 7. And my new matrix is, let me write the name of it, 4E plus A equals A plus 1, 9, 0 plus negative 3, negative 3, 0 plus 4, 4, negative 12 plus 7, that's negative 5. Calculators right there available for you to use. Please use it. But that's for part C. This video took a little bit longer, But again, you still have access to it. If you need to go back and use it, please do so. Remember, you're still doing you're doing 5, 6, 7, 8. On to the next video.